In this episode, we're going to answer the question of how do I get an appraisal waiver? So how do you get an appraisal waiver? To get an appraisal waiver, you have to push your application through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac's automated underwriting system, or AUS. When we do that, that system is going to notify us if an appraiser is required or not, which is, the waiver. Now, for a refinance, this is a big pro or a big plus because you're going to save anywhere from $500 to $1,500 in appraisal fees. For a purchase, it depends on the situation if you're going to want that appraisal waiver or not. It depends on how quickly you want to close, then you don't have to wait for the appraisal. Or sometimes you know that the price is going to be much higher than what your offer is going to be, but you want to go and expedite through that process. Now, a lender, broker, or loan officer cannot guarantee you that an appraisal waiver is definitive unless they know for a fact they push that property through the system and that the system of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's AUS told them that an appraisal is not required. Thanks for watching today's episode of The Mortgage Secrets. On this channel, our goal is to uncover and unmask the secrets behind the mortgage process by explaining and teaching you about the terminology and the inner workings of how this whole process works. Anything from the basics of what is an escrow account all the way to how do lenders get paid? How do mortgage brokers get paid? How do loan officers get paid? We are going to unmask and share with you the process so that we can build the trust with you. Oftentimes, when I talk to clients, I sense the feeling that they feel like that they're at a disadvantage because they don't understand the process and they don't understand the terminology. So my goal is to level you up so that you have the advantage when you're speaking with a loan officer or a mortgage broker or a wholesale lender. With that in mind, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below on this video, or you can text me personally at 240-221-1881. And with that, thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day.